Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have an exceptionally smart 2014 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamic, finished in the glorious Fuji White. This is the diesel automatic 4-wheel drive model, which has done 97,110 genuine warranted miles, and the big selling point here is the recent maintenance work. It comes with service history with 5 service stamps, 3 of which have been done by Land Rover main dealers, but most importantly, the Cambelt and water pump and Haldex service were all carried out at 91,000 miles by our RAC approved technicians here at Globe Motors Blackburn. That is a huge reassurance on one of these, because it means some of the key maintenance jobs have already been taken care of. A free service will also be carried out prior to purchase, along with a brand new MOT. Specification highlights include the glorious Meridian surround sound system, giving the cabin a much more premium audio feel, satellite navigation and Bluetooth audio for everyday convenience. You also get reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors, which makes parking and manoeuvring just that little bit easier. Other highlights include side steps, wireless phone charging, cruise control, electronic handbrake, dual zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, xenon headlights, heated front leather seats with electric and driver memory option, electric folding mirrors, paddle shift controls, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with red brake calipers. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with a free 82-point RAC approved inspection, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty, and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers can also ask our trained staff here at Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RSA approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.